Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. As always, let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis and review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour, we've been long since the market opened. As we mentioned in my previous analysis reviews, we were looking this breakout which price nicely broken. We also had the short trade here. So once the price broken last week, we had a long trade here after this breakout. As always, we were expecting a pullback here, and we have taken this pullback at the market open, and we hold all this pullback and keep taking a pullback. So let me share with you guys how I analyze market at this level and the rest of the day and bank amazing profit. If you look at the intraday analysis at the market open, as you can see, once the market open, explain to my trader, look for this breakout. Price develop a false breakout. As you can see here, pretty straightforward breakout as soon as the first target hit, which is the previous high. And that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit after banking some profit. That's what I explained to my trader. Now we should be looking here another pullback around this level, as that's what exactly I did this analysis, which is you can see here pretty straightforward. I've updated that analysis once bank some profit. That was the beautiful another pullback long trade here, and beautiful pullback, another pullback, and as soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit on EURUSD. And afterwards, as mentioned my trader, look for another breakout. As you can see here, momentum was still bullish. Beautiful breakout. After the breakout, another pullback, another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see we had a beautiful long trade on EURUSD. Cable, we had amazing trade here. Cable, we was long as well. As you can see here, price nicely respected here with this consolidation broken. We have taken all this pullback long trade here. Let me share with you the analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, that was the breakout we were looking here, as mentioned here at this one in 4-hour. And in intraday, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Price nicely broken and beautiful. Price nicely hit to the profit target previous high. Bank some profit and look for another pullback. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, price developed sideways market. Beautiful another pullback low breakout long trade here. Bank 50 pips. And afterwards, as you can see here, explained to my trader, look for another breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken this level, and price refused to break this level, as you can see here based on the analysis. Beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit just before the news release. Explain to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see here we had amazing trade on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade too. As you can see here in 4-hour, price nicely respected and sort of like develop a head and shoulder pattern. And we have this breakout and beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze in intraday. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, this was the trade at the market open. As explained to my trader, look for another pullback. We had this breakout, false breakout, price nicely broken, and look for another pullback based on the momentum. And as you can see here, price rejected in 4-hour. Beautiful pullback short trade here, another pullback, beautiful. Once we bank some profit, and that's what I explained to my trader, look for another pullback as long as the price is going to hit this level. As you can see here, we have another pullback, another pullback. So we had amazing trade. So we're expecting this breakout tomorrow. We'll see how the market is going to, if the market is going to respect or break, we'll let you know. But we had amazing trades on today on all these three major pairs. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time, banking profit in real time. And if you're struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time with the live market through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train traders with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. I have very limited space, so most welcome traders, join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.